In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete Vinted account. If you've decided you're done with Vinted and want to remove your account for good, I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few important tips along the way so there are no surprises. Deleting your account is permanent, which means your profile, listings, and messages will be removed and you won't be able to sign back in with the same account afterward. So before you proceed, make sure any orders, returns, or disputes are fully resolved and that your balance or payouts have been settled. If you only want a break, consider pausing selling or adjusting notifications instead, but if you're sure about a permanent deletion, let's begin. Open your preferred web browser and go to vinted.com. You'll need to be signed into the account you want to delete. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. This opens your account menu where you can access your personal settings and other preferences. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the main settings area for your account. Next, select Account Settings. This section is where Vinted keeps options related to your profile, security, and ultimately the option to remove your account. Scroll down the account settings page until you find the option labeled Delete My Account. It's usually near the bottom. Click it to start the deletion process. Vinted will show you a confirmation screen to ensure you understand what happens next. You'll see a checkbox that says, I confirm that all my transactions are completed. Check this box. This is important because if you still have anything pending like items in transit, open disputes, or unresolved payments, the deletion may be blocked until everything is finished. If something isn't complete, you'll need to wait for those activities to wrap up before continuing. After confirming that your transactions are completed, click Delete Account. At this point, Vinted may display a final confirmation or additional on-screen prompts to verify your choice. Review any messages carefully, then proceed as directed to finalize the deletion. Once done, your account will be scheduled for removal. Your listings will be taken down, and your profile will no longer be visible. If you ever decide to return in the future, you'll need to start fresh with a new account. That's it. Simple, clear, and permanent. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently delete your Vinted account.